Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. Today we are going to discuss C programming language, history, some basic introduction, futures of C programming language and very importance of C programming language. Here features, characteristics or are specifications of C programming language. It's very simple programming language to type. It's portable. It can carry easily to one system to other system in pen drive and all. C files and all very easy, portable, easy to carry, small and structure. It has a structured programming language. Show me here. C has some structure. It has some structured programming language. Show here. And a rich library. It has rich library. More libraries it has. Just like stdio.h, standard input output header file, conio.h, console input output header file, string.h, math.h. Like that, we have so many rich library files. That's why it is very popular. Extensible. It can easily extendable. Rich libraries. Recursive. It has recursive loops, for loop, while loop, do while loop. It has loops and it has if conditions, if else condition and switch statements. It has pointers. It contains and faster. It is very faster and it can allocate memory very efficiently and effectively. It will give the outputs. It is a compiled and it is a linker. It has linkers. Linkers means libraries. And it is powerful, speed and very faster programming language. It is syntax based. It has syntax and semantic based, rule based programming language. Dynamic memory allocation. It can allocate memory dynamically. Easily extensible. It can easily extendable to C, C++ and Java. Right? It has more secure programming language, etc. It has so many features like this. That way it is so flourished nowadays. From the beginning onwards. See a small basics and history. Created in 1972. The C programming language is created in 1972. Was created in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Here, Dennis Ritchie. While pronouncing T and E are silent. Dennis Ritchie at Bell's Lab. At Bell's Lab in 1972, the C language was created. And most operating systems were designed by C language. Most operating systems like Windows, all families, Windows 7, MS-DOS, from MS-DOS onwards, Windows 7, Vista, NT, new technology, extensible Vista, and all, Windows 10, latest Windows 12 also, every Windows family operating system was designed with C programming language. And Unix, Linux, other programming language also designed with C programming. That is the importance of C programming language. C language is one of the most widely used programming language in the world. C programming language is the basic and most widely used programming language. The definition of the C programming language goes something like this. C language is structure oriented, procedure oriented and imperative programming language and middle level language. C is a middle level language. That is the definition of C programming language. C is the mother language of all programming language, not only operating systems. Even some of the languages also designed with C language only. For example, C++, Java and Python. Java language is designed and developed with C language only. Python is developed with C language. That's why we can call it as C Python also. Python is also called as C Python because Python language is designed with C programming language only. C language questions will be given in most of the all entrance examinations. If you go to any software companies, any EC, mechanical, any engineering background people go to any entrance exam, most of the C language questions will be there. A small C programming language is given here. For the example, hash include, it's a preprocessor, stdio.h, standard input output header file. It contains printf and scanf functions. Void means returns nothing. Main is a main function. From program starts from here. Printf, curly braces start and ends here. Printf, F is a format, print function. Welcome to C programming language. Welcome to C. It will be printed. And output here is as it is. Welcome to C. This is the output. And for getting this output, the syntaxes are for compiling or for checking errors, Alt plus F9. At the same time, in the keyboard, Alt plus F9 at a time you need to click, or simply just click on F9. You will see the errors. If you don't have errors, you will see the output. For running or executing the program, Control plus F9. At a time we need to click Control plus F9. At a time we need to click. Then we can run the program. If you want to see the output or result, if you don't have errors, then Alt plus F9. At a time we need to click. And for checking errors from my side, a tip, small tip, for checking errors for compilation, if you click on F7, you can see the compilation process. Here you can see the output. Alt plus F5, you will see this output as welcome to C. All the best for your career. Thank you for watching.